Travel day, and if you know, you know, this is where it all begins. Before the miles, before the views, it's the reset. I'm clearing out the truck because somehow it turns into a storage unit every time we stop. Then it's time to stock up. Gotta have drinks for the road, water and coffee, because staying hydrated is all part of the strategy. Let's just be honest, it really makes the drive better. We're just dumping the gray tank because we were just here for an overnight. We don't want to travel with the extra water. Dumping the gray tank is never glamorous, but it's always necessary. Disconnecting water and packing up our Blue Technology filtration system. Clean water on the road is non-negotiable for us, so this is always a step that we take. If you're interested in any of our Blue Tech water products, we'll leave a link in the description below. And just like that, everything starts coming together, from setup to breakdown to rolling out, because this is the rhythm of RV life. And today, we're heading to the next destination.
You're not going to believe this.
What's that?
We scored, man.
We scored.
So you know how you get your $10 coupon?
Mm-hmm.
It pays for, if you want to use it, for this, it pays for 2 sausage, egg, and cheese croissants.
Oh, that's pretty
perfect.
Nice.
So now, not only do you get a site,
you get
free breakfast.
Nice.
There you go.
All right, let's get on down the road.
Yes. It is chilly out there. Can't believe how chilly it is out there. You want me to hold this for now?
Yeah.
All right. They had them. They had like 100 of them made up. Because let me tell you, that poor woman turned around for a second, and I started laughing because she turned back around, and I said, You got 30 people in line just because you turned around for a second. She goes, what happened?
There's all these local people that like they're coming in.
Oh yeah, they come in for that. Yep. They do. They all come in and get their breakfast. That's hilarious. I didn't even know they did breakfast. How did we leave here? Because last time we left really early. Yeah.
Yeah, we went in at night.
Well, now we need to, if we're coming here, we need to do our 9 o'clock and get our free breakfast. They're actually $4.79 each, and with tax
Turn
they're
right
like
on Little Circle,
$10.50.
then take the
But she
second
said,
right.
"Oh no, if you use your coupon, they're free." Like perfect. So we actually got checked in too.
Oh, nice.
I said, "Well, usually we get an email when we check in," and she said that something's wrong with their website. It's been screwy. So I said, "Well, we've already checked in and checked out, and now we're ready for breakfast. Ready to hit the road." And we have 3-hour drive. Fingers crossed there's no traffic and it is actually 3 hours.
Yes.
But since we're going through, what do you call it?
The beast.
The belly of the beast. Since we're going through it, we shall see. Now, the weather is not that great, so maybe everybody stayed home today.
Well, we haven't had good luck with going through Atlanta, but we have no choice but to
No,
go
but
through
this is
Atlanta
third
today.
time's a charm in like less than a month, right?
Yes.
So maybe, just maybe. Yeah, they've been there baking all morning. That's obvious. And these are croissants, so it won't fall apart like a biscuit on you. I was first one in line. I asked other people that came in behind me, I said, y'all were sitting outside, do you want to go first? They're like, nah, you just open the thing and pull them out.
Continue on I-75.
No, not bad. I picked this up at Target and it keeps all of my stuff in one thing. All my papers, all of them. I just have to finish putting the rest of them in there. So I don't even need all this extra stuff. All my JDRs are in here. And now my new JDRs are much smaller, like it's only a couple pages, because our printer is now duplexing, which it never did before. I didn't even know it had that ability. I don't know how it just started doing it. Did you set it up? Isn't that weird? That just out of nowhere it started duplexing.
It's probably a default when you load in the front driver.
I guess, but I'm able to, if I don't want it to do it, I'm able to tell it not to. But it's very interesting. Which means less papers. Which means happy husband. Happier.
Yes.
No, I need your knife when you get a chance. Dude, it's chilly in here.
Dude, you're awful needy this morning.
I hadn't even heard back from these other 2 Florida campgrounds I'm supposed to be working. Yeah, I got a lot of work to do. What's aimed though?
It's all right, we're like 113 miles from where we're supposed to be going.
Whew.
But I'm getting ready to go through Atlanta here soon. We're on the Macon bypass, so we're gonna swing in here at this rest area and use the restroom just in case traffic is unfavorable in Atlanta.
Hotlanta. And it is cold because I'm wearing sleeves. It's crazy. This weather can't decide what it's going to do.
Yeah.
And Jason has hit every bump along the way. So we really need to make a stop. Every bump. All right.
Look at that. That's hot right there. Let me tell you. That's how you make sure that nobody bothers you while you're on the road. You dress up like that.
I'm making fun of myself.
Look at what we got going on down here.
Oh my God.
When you dress like that, you don't have to worry about anybody messing with you or bothering you.
My feet were cold
Because
in the truck.
that is so not hot.
I know, it's not sexy. But my feet were cold, so what am I supposed to do? I could have just put slippers on.
Some of you have asked what it looks like in the cockpit.
Yeah, I didn't know that. That's cool.
Okay.
They want to know.
Some people have asked what the cockpit looks like. Well, this over here is a disaster area, so that is off limits. Julie has to have her security blanket.
It's not a security blanket.
and her laptop board and her laptop and a jacket and whatever all this is. Like, where it's 2026 and we're still using paper. We got our backup cam.
Don't you have a job that deals with that?
We've got a backup camera here, a Halo View backup camera. We've got TPMS built into that. We use an RV GPS. We also run Google Maps down on the screen here. I use iExit to know where my exits are going to be on my phone. And then we
both have coffee and water.
We have a dashboard cam here, dash cam. That we have our GoPro set up so we can film for you guys. We have another camera mount over here. It's all wired in through our upfitter switches. Watch that video if you're interested in how to do that. We got all of our coffee here and drinks, walkie-talkies if we have to get out and do anything. But that's what it is, guys. We're gonna get on down the road.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination